We've been asked to tell you about the new Thursday night live show.
Yes, that's right. We're trying to get people addicted to gambling.
Take it easy there now, Rob. We're in enough trouble.
We don't give a...
Right, Thursday night live. Pop in, get yourself a number. Every 30 minutes, a number.
Give some lucky friend a chance to win him.
It's based on the old the card game, you know. Play your cards right.
Your base card is a 10. What do you think now? What do you want to do? Lower than a 10, you say a jack. Well, that was a waste of time, wasn't it?
You will get a chance to try getting across the board. I did it once.
Do a total of 15 cards to win. Sounds easy, I hear you say.
That's no way to talk to your twin, Dave.
Well, it must have been easy for you to do it, because I've never seen you do anything odd.
I won't be there. I'm going out with the lads playing bingo.
Thursday night, 8 PM UK time, pop in and have a go.
Well, we'll try that, but I don't think it was any good.
Okay, Granny. I hope to see you there. And hope the force is with you. Cheers. In the right frame of mind, you know.
That's the loveliest thing I've ever heard.